All right, let's tweak this Windows XP. I'm going to start by going to the Start menu and looking at the Control panel. Go to the Security Center. And I can see half of what I'm interested in right here. I can't control it from here, but I can see that the firewall is on, which I don't want to have. And I can also see that the automatic updates is somewhere in limbo. No virus protection. Again, this is my recommendation because virus protection can get in the way, but just on your virtual machine. Do have virus protection on your host, please. And so first, let's go to the Windows Firewall. And I'm going to turn this off and say OK. And now it's going to warn me, and that's fine. Automatic updates. Go back to this window here. There we are. Automatic updates doesn't have anything set right now, and that's why it's unhappy. I'm going to turn that off also. And I don't really connect my VMs to the internet unless I have to for something, so it probably wouldn't really have updated anyway, but that's just something I don't want it to be trying to do ever. Okay, next we're going to look at power settings and screensaver. So I'm going to go to the display here and come to the screensaver tab. And I'll select none under the screensaver, and then I'll click on the power button. And it looks like most of this isn't turning off anyway. Just to have a better name for these settings, I'm going to go to the always on scheme. And I'm going to tell this never to turn off. So now the monitor, the hard disks, the system standby are all never, which is exactly what I want because they don't really make sense to have on a virtual machine. They make more sense for hardware. So I will say OK. And then the last thing that I need to set up is the network priority. So if I go to network connections, I'm going to go to advanced. Now notice I've got my programming network and my activations network. Go to advanced and do advanced settings. Notice these are actually in a priority. They're in order. I do definitely want my activations at the top because I found it can be a little finicky if Rockwell can't find its activation right away. And then after that, I want everything to go through the programming network. I don't have anything else in this list, but there are times when I will have other things in the list. So just always keep this in mind. If you add a new connection, a new network adapter here to your virtual machine, you may have to come back and look at this. Well, Windows XP is actually a little simpler than Windows 7 because it doesn't have user account control or support for IPv6. So that's all I do to set it up, and that will be a rock solid system now.